Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Uruguay. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply any kind of visa for any country, the very first thing we should check, do we really need a visa? Because based on our nationality, duration, purpose, and even based on other visas that we have, we may or may not actually need a visa. And when you see the requirements, process, steps, always check as per the official entity of the destination country that governs your residential area. Because based on your residential area, there could be additional steps, additional fee, additional documents, etc. So in front of you, I have opened this Uruguay embassy in India website, and under consular services, we have visa services. Okay. And they have written there is no visa fee for Indian citizens. For citizens of Nepal, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, the visa fee is US $54. Okay. The applicant has to pay the cost of the banking procedure if there is any. Okay, fine. At the time of printing of the visa, the applicant must present an issued air ticket. Fine. All right, so they have given the visa form too. But yes, before we go to the visa form, we will go for tourism. So in order to apply for the tourist visa, you need a visa application form, recent passport size photo, valid passport in good condition with at least 6 months of validity at the time of leaving Uruguay, passport photocopy, hotel booking or proof of accommodation, proof of income, duly accredited form, justify the maintenance, okay. Bank statement of last 3 months, proof of salary, international credit card, means anything that you can use. Oh, and photocopy only one side. Okay, fine. Travel ticket or medical ticket reservation round trip, medical certificate. Fine. So basically, you are healthy. You have round trip tickets. You have proper finances, and you have accommodation booked. Okay. And of course, if they want, they can ask you for more documents or anything they want to. Now, for Indian citizens, you see that there is no visa fee, but how you're going to submit. So this is where you're going to submit. Okay. You can always contact them or call them and find out if you can come, but they have given the time when you can visit. Document submission schedule they have given. Okay. Now let's see the visa form. It's fillable. Okay. So no need to worry about. Date of application, first name, surname. It's in English also, so that's good. Place of birth, make sure it matches your passport, date of birth, nationality, your address, your passport number, passport expiry date, your profession, your work, your employer, position, marital status, spouse full name if applicable, date of the trip, make sure it matches with your ticket and reservation, reasons for your trip to Uruguay, any Uruguay reference. Now, some of you may ask, like, what we do if we don't know anyone. So if you have booked hotel reservation, you can ask them for reference. And most of the cases, they do permit, right? Why wouldn't they? Address in Uruguay, phone number, link to the country of visa application. Okay. So if you're an Indian living in India, it's going to be citizen. You are a citizen here. Previous visas to Uruguay, if. Okay. Then provide the details. Otherwise, that's fine. And your signature here. Okay. So with this, you can go and apply. And if it is granted, you are all good to go. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.